Hello everybody, Darlene is here and welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody, Darlene is here and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, what I'm going to show you is how to eat sushi, sushi roll or maki.
This is my first plate of sushi for today, but before we eat, let's get familiar with the different kinds of sushi. So here are the traditional sushi rolls, which is maki, uramaki, and nigiri. So other types of sushi which is not on this plate is temaki, which is sushi that hand rolled into a cone shape, and sashimi, which is just the raw fish served without other ingredients. If you love the flavor of the ocean, which is the fish and shellfish, well, nigiri maki is a must try for you because the topping, which is usually fish, served on top of sushi rice. And not all nigiri maki is raw. Now, this is an example of maki. The rice and filling wrapped in seaweeds. This one is the uramaki, which is the rice is on the outside and the seaweed wraps around the filling. This is volcano roll maki. The contents of these rolls tends to vary, but the name volcano roll is because of the toppings on the roll that makes it look like exploding volcano. So this is an overflowing crab meat with fish egg. Now this tamago nigiri is sushi rice and sweet egg omelette wrapped in seaweeds. One of my favorite, kani nigiri, which is crab meat. Actually, it's artificial crab meat. This is made from combination of fish. Salmon nigiri. This is the sushi rice that is almost covered by the slice of fresh salmon fish. Ebi nigiri. This is sushi rice with cooked shrimp. Some chef they are putting wasabi between the rice and the shrimp. Tuna nigiri, another example of raw fish. So the sushi rice is covered by the slice of fresh tuna fish. Tuna uramaki. So rice is on the outside and definitely the tuna is wrapped in seaweed inside and they put fish eggs on top. Kani uramaki, the crab meat and cucumber is wrapped in seaweed inside and the rice on the outside is coated with white sesame seed and fish roe. It's time to eat! Now I am going to eat sushi with chopstick. First, I will have this salmon nigiri because this one is fresh fish. I don't want to spoil this. Now, flip the sushi sideways. Lift it with chopstick and dipped it in soy sauce. Now you can enjoy. Next, I will have the tuna nigiri because it's another raw fish. This time, we're going to put wasabi. Now, putting wasabi, you have to be careful. Just put a little bit of it because this wasabi is hot but not the burning aftertaste. The vapors will travel through your mouth and up into your nasal cavity. Same procedure. Flip the sushi sideways, lift it with chopstick, dip it in soy sauce. Enjoy! Now let me take you to Buffet of Maki or Maki Buffet. They have Futo Maki, Veggie Roll, California Maki, Fruta Roll, and Kanitonga. There's also some fish skin. The common sides and condiments. I will also try this okonomiyaki. This is a Japanese pancake. Normally this is made of flour, egg, meat, and cabbage. And I think they put some okonomiyaki sauce and mayonnaise. This is my second plate of maki for today. Of course, I put a little bit of wasabi. And I don't know why there is mini chicken burger here. Now this is wakame, seaweed pickles. And they put some cucumber. So there is gani. This is a pink pickled slices of ginger, and it's good to eat between each maki so that it will clean your palate and you can appreciate the taste and flavor of each maki. Now the calamansi and soy sauce. This is my second plate of maki, and see how beautiful this plate of maki is. And before I forgot, if you are going to eat sushi, maki, uramaki, or nigiri, you have to eat that in one bite. So now, first let me have this veggie roll. I want to put some wasabi. Some people, they put the wasabi on their soy sauce, but for me, I want to put on top of the maki. So since it's already sideways, just lift it with your chopstick. There you go. And dip it in soy sauce. And enjoy!
Napadami yata yung wasabi ko.
Now I will have the futomaki. This is a fat rolled sushi. I will not put any wasabi this time. Just dip in the soy sauce and enjoy.
Yan. So, para malinis yung palate, pwede kayong kumain ng pickled ginger. Sarap. Ito na ang finale. Kung hindi kayo marunong humawak ng chopstick, pwede nyo rin kamayin.
Eat sushi with hands, same as chopstick. Flip the sushi sideways, lift it, and dip in soy sauce. Enjoy!
So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click like, share it with your friends, and put your comments on the box down below. Till next time, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.